Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a FibaFuse drywall tape. I'll show you how to bed the FibaFuse and also a quick way to cut it on the fly. I'll be using a 20-minute quick set mud for both the ceiling repair and wall repair. I'll also show you a little trick to speed up the drying time so you can recoat quickly. And in the last video, I showed you how to determine what size piece of drywall you're going to need for the repair, how to cut it, and a super cool trick for getting a perfect cut every time. I also showed you how to add a furring strip so you have something to attach to and how to attach the drywall. And if you missed part 1 of this video series, I showed you how to assess the water damaged drywall ceiling and also the water blister on the wall. I also showed you how to remove the blister by scraping it off from underneath with my 6-inch knife and my mud pan to catch all the debris, and also how to prep it before doing the mud work. And you also got to see how a water damage repair can snowball real quick. I'll leave a link down in the description to the part 1 of the video series. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, and painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get into this video. I'm gonna go mix up some mud, 20-minute mud, and use some FibaFuse drywall tape. It's like a mat. This is the best tape for repairs. All right, so I'm going to fill these gaps and bed the FibaFuse. Using my 12-inch knife, cover a lot of area quickly. Got 20-minute mud. I mixed the 20-minute mud a little thick just so I could fill these gaps and it wouldn't be too soupy. Then I'm going to flatten it out with my 6-inch. I'm just basically getting the mud up there on the repair. I'm not trying to make it pretty. I need a little bit of a bed to lay the FibaFuse drywall tape in. Then I'm going to apply the tape and then smooth it all out again. I'm gonna put the tape in place and then cut it with my knife once it's up there. I'm gonna go from the middle and out, and then just tear it on your knife. Same thing. From the middle. This tape fuses as one with the joint compound. Super strong with the setting type compound, 20-minute mud I'm using. From the middle, get a little mud up there. From the middle, from the middle. So I'm going to take my 12-inch knife and float that out a little bit. flat as possible. I'll leave links down in the description to all kinds of different drywall and texturing videos. So we keep it really tight against the existing texture. You don't want any big humps there. All right, with the same batch of 20-minute mud, I'm going to go ahead and skim out the first coat over the water blister that I prepped with the kills. No need for any drywall tape or anything. Pretty much just going to skim it out a couple times. And I will be matching the crow's foot texture on the wall in a later video. So you just want to keep it tight. You don't want a bunch of piled up mud. You're going to do a couple coats over something like this and it'll turn out perfect. Alright, so here I'm using a Milwaukee heat gun. It's made for drying things. It does get very hot, so you got to keep it moving. A lot of times when I go do a repair like this, I need to get it done in a day. So if you play your cards right, use the right type of mud. I used a 20-minute setting type compound. I'm just going to kind of speed up the process a bit with the heat gun. I'm not holding it in one spot for very long. I'm just giving it a little heat to set the compound off a little quicker. I'll leave a link to my Amazon store that has all the tools that I use in my videos, including the FibaFuse drywall tape and the Milwaukee heat gun. And coming up in part 4 of this video series, I'll show you how to do the second coat of mud work using the 20-minute setting type compound. 20-minute quick set mud. I'll also show you after that dries how to scrape any little ridges or high spots so you don't have to sand between coats. Lastly, I'll show you how to use an all-purpose joint compound to skim coat the ceiling repair and wall repair. I'll also show you a neat little trick for blending in the repaired areas into the existing ceiling before I do the skip trowel texture. And the ceiling's ready for a skip trowel texture, so stay tuned for part 4 of this water damage video series. And if you're looking to step up your drywall texturing or painting game, be sure to hit that round icon in the middle of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. And if you have a friend that's a DIYer, be sure to share this video with them on Facebook or Twitter. Check out one of these videos down below.